Edsel. Here's an early model, Deborah Dickinson. A 1958 model, right? Is it a 58 model? I will clearly be paying dearly for that later. That's for 3 of us.
Maybe 15. Yeah. And pictures are okay, just of course you're not allowed to open any doors and things like that on the car.
Okay, we will not open doors or touch
Take
anything.
your time. I guess my music sometimes the internet just goes. Can you eat here? Not today, maybe next week. We're waiting for a food trailer instead. Oh, cool. Yeah, so we decided this was going to be too small, so we decided to go a little different ways, but you know, yeah. We're trying to get that set up because everything else is shut down.
Look it. So this is a 1954 Mercury Monterey V8 automatic. So nice. (1955) Ford pickup, 350 Chevy engine. A Ford pickup with a 350 Chevy engine V8 automatic. And it's for sale, and you can have it for the low, low price of $85,000. (1967) Volkswagen Bug. I believe my brother had one of these, and he chopped down a tree on his property, and the tree landed on it, cut it in half. In 1979, Datsun 280ZX, one owner, 26.5. So we do have clearly for sale. Some of these cars are for sale. So this one fascinated me. It says it's a, look at what it says. It says it's a Ford pickup with a Chevy engine.
Yeah, yeah.
And you can buy it for $85,000.
85, they get another zero.
This is a 1931 Auburn straight 8 5-speed with 2-speed rear. (1950) Buick Special, 4-door power steering, power brakes, Chevy 350 fuel injected 4-speed, 38,500. Oh, Deborah's gonna like this one. 1957 Chevy 150. 383 stroker engine 4-speed, $95,000. Wow. (1929) Mercedes Gazelle kit car. Beautiful. I don't know if you can tell. It's hard to tell on film, but this is a wide vehicle.
You're gonna be an angry old man. Take a look at you and me. Are we two friends? You
1954 Mercury Monterey V8 automatic. Beautiful. So I see a couple muscle cars I think you like.
Yes,
Did
you got my number. Those SS's?
The SS?
Yeah, I haven't seen a GTO Judge though.
What do you think of this one? Who'd have thought? Muscle cars and Harleys. That's what Deborah Dickinson is all about.
I used to be, that is for sure. I miss my Harley for sure.
Do you see how wide the Chevy is? You can really tell when you look at it on the front. It's I think the original El Camino. And it's got to be 6 feet wide. So if you were rich, would you have a car collection?
No.
No.
I would have a classic car though.
Like what would be your choice? You could have any classic car you wanted.
I would find my 1969 GTO Judge.
Really?
I would.
What? Get your Woody serviced here? I didn't see that on the menu. Well, I'm going to leave you with a shot of a vintage Harley Davidson. Hope you enjoyed the video.